There's one more way that we'd like to show you how to add charges and organize your lists in WISE option. We've seen already how to do macros, task finder, and DCSs, which are pretty handy and very useful for things that you do day in, day out. Sometimes you'd like to create lists that are not so popular, but you'd like to have them organized in some sort of fashion way. To do that, I'm going to go and create custom lists for easy charges. In the procedure, I'm going to use procedures, and here I'm going to say that I'm going to add a procedure. If I add a procedure through this path here, it's going to pop up the task selection tool. In the task selection tool, you have the chance to simply type the name of the task, the sort ID of a task, or you can create customized, you can customize your lists. That's, again, following the same principle. It's according to your practice and whatever works best for you. I'm going to create one here that I called, for example, colic. All the things that are happening frequently for colic, patients with colic. As soon as I highlight colic, my list is going to be empty. And I want to show here the titles, the topics that are more popular for colic. So I'm going to click plus on this side, and on this place here, you can pick 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and add those 6 drugs and save. So now these drugs are associated to colic. If I go here to board, these are my board titles, these are my colic titles. If I want to add another one that I call procedures, all the list of my possible procedures, I'm going to highlight, and I'm going to click plus on this side, and I'm going to down here on my list, let me find my procedures. I'm going to say 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So I have 6 procedures. So instead of using tasks, I can say, oh, I'm working with board, I'm going to charge this, or I'm going to charge this, you put the number of days. Oh no, I'm working with colic, I pick this one, I grab the tube, and I'm giving, maybe 12 grams of this drug, and I select. The point is that once I use the selection tool, right after I select the button, it's going to bring me to another screen, which is kind of more details you can add for it. You can say review the prices, put comments, advanced comments, and finally you can add. We are going to explore this in more details in a future e-learning, but the whole point is to explain to you that it's possible to add your charges through creating, you can create custom lists for easy finding your codes, so you can customize the list for adding charges in WISE option. So today we used custom lists for task selection tool in WISE option. Thanks for watching.